Welcome to Best Quality.
Best Battery Terminals, 2025. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the best battery terminals of 2025. Whether you're upgrading your car, truck, or any vehicle, choosing the right battery terminal can make a huge difference in performance and reliability.
Top 1.
Battery terminal connectors designed to meet military specifications provide reliable connections for various vehicles. These connectors support both positive and negative terminals, making them suitable for cars, marine vessels, and other automotive applications. Their heavy-duty construction ensures durability in demanding conditions. Included are 4 pieces of 2-gauge copper lugs sized at 3/8 inches, which help achieve secure and efficient electrical contact.
Top 2.
Heavy-duty car battery connectors are essential for ensuring strong and reliable electrical connections in vehicles. Available in multiple sizes, including 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 AWG, these top-post terminals accommodate various battery cables, making them versatile for different applications. The silver finish not only adds corrosion resistance, but also improves electrical conductivity, which is crucial for optimal vehicle performance. These connectors are designed to fit securely on battery posts, reducing the risk of loose connections that could cause starting problems or electrical failures. Their sturdy construction supports heavy electrical loads often required by modern cars, trucks, and other vehicles. This durability helps in maintaining consistent power flow to essential systems. Ideal for automotive enthusiasts, mechanics, and DIYers, these battery terminals allow for easy installation and replacement. They suit a wide range of vehicles, including cars, trucks, and even marine engines, providing flexibility for diverse uses. The various AWG sizes ensure compatibility with
Top 3.
Heavy-duty battery terminal connectors kit offers a complete solution for securing electrical connections in cars and marine vehicles. This kit includes both positive and negative terminals, designed to handle demanding environments, ensuring reliable power transfer. Constructed to withstand wear and corrosion, these connectors are suitable for various automotive and marine applications, providing stable electrical contact. The kit's components are made to fit standard battery posts, allowing for easy installation and replacement. Their robust build supports heavy electrical loads, commonly found in modern vehicles, helping maintain consistent performance.
Top 4.
Onda battery terminals provide a reliable connection solution for various battery sizes, including 0, 4, 8, and 10-gauge cables. These connectors come with shims to ensure a secure fit on battery posts of different diameters, enhancing stability during operation. Protective covers included in the set help guard against dirt, corrosion, and accidental short circuits, increasing safety and longevity. Designed for versatility, these terminals suit cars, trucks, marine vessels, and other vehicles requiring dependable electrical connections. The durable materials used in construction resist wear and environmental damage, ensuring consistent performance even in challenging conditions. This helps maintain a steady flow of electricity, essential for efficient battery and vehicle operation. The terminal's compatibility with multiple gauge sizes offers flexibility for various wiring setups, simplifying installation and upgrades. The included shims adjust the terminals to fit tightly without wobbling or loosening.
Top 5.
The CAUS 8-way lead-acid battery terminal connector set offers a versatile solution for establishing secure electrical connections in vehicles. This kit includes both positive and negative terminals, designed to accommodate various cable sizes, ranging from 8 AWG to 40 AWG. The connectors are crafted from heat-treated 6061 T6 aluminum alloy, ensuring durability and resistance to corrosion. Their precision-engineered design allows for easy installation and a reliable fit on top-post battery terminals.
Latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.